Hey, I'm Rambo Estrada. I'm a surf and adventure photographer from New Zealand, and here's some of my travel photography tips. When you're traveling, it's good to have a camera with you at all times. You never know what'll happen, what'll pop up when you're just wandering around. If you want to shoot key hotspot travel locations, you definitely want to try and get there as early in the day as possible. I'll always go out before breakfast. That way you'll have the place to yourself, and then you'll also get amazing light. Keep an eye out for some interesting elements that you can use as a natural frame. That way it'll give your images a little bit of depth and context. I think it's really important when you're traveling not to just focus on shooting hero shots. I always try to bring back a collection of images that'll give you a feeling of what it was actually like to be there, so look out for little details that'll give you that vibe. For the cleanest images, you really want to shoot at the lowest ISO possible. So the way to do that is just keep your shutter open for longer to let in more light. When I'm traveling, I like to shoot in aperture priority. I feel aperture is the main factor that changes the look and feel of your image. From then on, I don't have to worry about camera settings. I'm just worrying about what's happening in front of me. I'm often traveling alone, and I feel like big landscapes can look awesome if they have a human element in there. Cool thing about the RX100 is you can pair your smartphone with it, then you can preview where you are in the image and then tap to take the photo. You can still get epic images after the sun's gone down, but you really want to make sure that you're using a tripod.